hotel kettle tray set is for some hotels with 5-star, 1 kettle, 2 ceramic cups, and 1 environmental tray. This is full set. You may see the kettle. The body is plastic and full stainless material inside, with round controller and the connector here. And this cups is also environmental for easy drinking the water. Here with the leakage for easily to leaking the water into this small storage. The tray also is very special with drawer for storing the tea bags and coffee bags, also tissue inside it.